which is established in 1991 by Amrish Bhai Patel. And initially it was, started with just 75-80 students, and now we have over 2,000 students in this college. And we are offering traditional as well as contemporary and cutting edge courses to cater the educational need of backward and rural students. This department of microbiology and biotechnology, that was established in 1997 with a very few students, and now we have over 500 students in our department studying in graduate and undergraduate level. So currently we are offering the BSc and MSc courses in microbiology as well as in biotechnology. And with that, we are also offering several career-oriented courses like certificate courses, diploma courses, and other career-oriented courses. So we have very committed faculty. That is our strength, and all faculty members, they are qualified with NET and SET examinations, as well as many faculties have completed their PhDs. We have state-of-the-art infrastructure available with the separate laboratories for undergraduate practicals, postgraduate practicals, as well as a separate lab for undertaking doctoral research. And we have all state-of-the equipment available in the department, like chromatography facility, spectroscopy facility, microscopic facility, and all relevant equipment that are available for doing cutting-edge research. So we have 2 research guides in the department working right now, and so far 12 students have completed their doctoral research and have been awarded with PhD degree from this department. Our research efforts have been transformed in good quality publications, and right now we have over 100 publications published in a very good journals of an international report, having good impact factor. We could also publish few books with the quality publishers. We have been able to get the research grants from several federal funding agencies like DST, DBT, ICMR, and UGC. And till date, we have been able to fetch the funds over rupees 1 crore. And several research projects have been completed, and few of them are still undergoing. The department is instrumental in organizing different workshops, seminars, conferences for students as well as faculties. And in the last 4 or 5 years, we have been able to organize many seminars and conferences in relevant topics. Our students are doing good, in different facets like academia, industry, and research, and many of them have acquired the high decorated positions at different industries as well as in academies. So with this, I hand over the proceedings of this inaugural session to my colleague, Dr. Sandeep Patil sir, who will let you know the background for this FDP, and he will also tell us the objectives behind this faculty development program. So thank you very much for listening me, and over to you, Sandeep Patil sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Am I audible?
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay. So it is with immense pleasure and deep sense of responsibility that I'm coordinating this AICTE ATAL Academy New Delhi sponsored faculty development program on biotechnology for sustainable development, organized by the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology of R.C. Patel Arts, Commerce and Science College, Shirpur, Maharashtra, during 6th to 11th of January 2025. This program is designed to empower faculty members with the knowledge and tools needed to contribute effectively to the global quest for sustainability through the innovative applications of biotechnology. Sustainable development is the cornerstone of a balanced and equitable future. Biotechnology, with its transformative potential, offers novel solutions to pressing challenges such as climate change, food security, environmental conservation, and public health. Recognizing its pivotal role, this FDP seeks to create a platform for dialogue, knowledge sharing, and skill enhancement among academicians, researchers, and PG scholars in this field. The objectives of this program are multifaceted to deepen the understanding of sustainable development concepts and their integration into biotechnology, to explore cutting edge research, technologies, and methodologies in biotechnology that address environmental, agricultural, and industrial challenges, to inspire interdisciplinary collaborations that drive innovative solutions for a sustainable future. This FDP brings together a diverse group of resource persons who are experts in their respective domains. Their contributions will undoubtedly enrich our understandings of critical link between biotechnology and sustainability. The carefully curated sessions are designed to encourage active participation, foster critical thinking, and stimulate innovative ideas among the participants. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to AICT ATAL Academy for their continued support and for sponsoring this program, which reflects their dedication to fostering academic excellence and professional growth. I'm also deeply appreciative of the support and encouragement of our management, principal, and the tireless efforts of the organizing team whose commitment has made this event possible. To all participants, I encourage you to engage actively, collaborate freely, and make the most of this opportunity. The knowledge and skills gained here will not only benefit your professional development, but also enable you to make meaningful contributions to sustainable development through your teaching and research. Let this program be a stepping stone toward a brighter and more sustainable future, driven by the power of biotechnology and guided by the collective vision of educators and researchers like you. Wishing you all a fruitful and enriching experience. So, before I stop, uh, there is a criteria for getting certificate after completion of this FDP for participants. There are few things. 80% attendance to all the sessions is compulsory. You need to submit the online test on ATAL AICT portal, and submission of feedback form is mandatory as well. So thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Over to you again.
Thank you, sir. Now I call upon my principal, Dr. D.R. Patil, sir, to share his views on this program. Please, sir.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Okay. Good evening to everybody and distinguished research persons, all my faculty members from the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology, and dear participants. I welcome you all on behalf of R.C. Patel Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shirpur. It is my great privilege to welcome you all to the inauguration of this faculty development program on biotechnology for sustainable development, proudly sponsored by AICTE, ATAL Academy, New Delhi. This program reflects our collective commitment to addressing one of the most critical challenges of our time, achieving sustainable development through innovative and interdisciplinary approaches. The theme of this FDP, Biotechnology for Sustainable Development, could not be more relevant with the increasing pressure on our planet resources. Biotechnology holds the promises of offering transformative solutions from sustainable agriculture and renewable energy to environmental conservation and healthcare innovations. Biotechnology is at the heart of the creating the future where progress and sustainability go hand in hand. The FDP is an opportunity for all of us to explore the potential of biotechnology, discovering its applications, addressing its challenges, and envisioning pathway for integrating it into our research, teaching, and community outreach efforts. It is a chance to build the knowledge sharing ecosystem that bridges academia, industry, and society, ensuring that our contributions to science and technology are aligned with global sustainable development goals. I extend my sincere gratitude to the AICTE ATAL Academy for their vision and support in fostering such impactful programs. Their dedications to advancing academic excellence and professional development, empowering institutions like ours to remain at the forefront of educational and societal progress. I also commend the organizing team of our college, especially Coordinator Dr. Sandeep Patil and Co-Coordinator Dr. Ravindra Patil, for their dedication and meticulous planning of this program. Your effort ensures that this FDP will be a rich and rewarding experience for all participants. To our esteemed resource persons, we are deeply honored by your presence and expertise. Your insight into the intersection of biotechnology and sustainability will undoubtedly inspire innovative ideas and motivate transformative practices among our participants. To the participants, this program is an invitation to engage deeply, learn collaboratively, and think critically about how we can contribute to sustainable development through biotechnology. Let us use this platform to exchange ideas, share experiences, and spark new collaborations that will have a lasting impact on our teaching and research. As we commence this journey, let us remember that sustainable development is not just a goal, but a responsibility. Together, let us explore how the power of biotechnology can be harnessed to create solutions that are not only innovative, but also inclusive and enduring. Once again, I welcome you all to this faculty development program and wish each of you and a productive and enriching experience. May this program serve as a catalyst for meaningful contribution to the global quest of sustainability. Thank you, and I look forward to the outcome of these exciting initiatives. All the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yes, Ravi, sir.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. Our today's resource person, Professor B.L. Chaudhary sir, has already joined us. I welcome sir on in this program, and I request my colleague, Mr. Tejas, to please introduce sir to our audience. Over to Tejas.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So it is my pleasure to introduce our distinguished resource person, Professor Dr. Bhushan Chaudhary, sir. He is the Director of School of Life Sciences and Head of the Department of Microbiology at Kaviyatri Bahinabai Chaudhary, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. He has received DAD Fellowship in Germany, JSPS Postdoctoral Fellowship in Japan, and JSPS Bridge Fellowship in Japan as well. He has also worked in university in Alabama in Huntsville, USA for a collaborative project. Professionally, he has worked in Lupin Chemicals, that is in Tarapur, and Naveen Process Systems, Pune. His core research area is microbial biotechnology, and he has completed 12 projects worth rupees 2 crore. He has published several research papers and filed many patents. He has also guided 15 PhD students He is instrumental in providing consultancy to many industries. He was member secretary of IPR Cell and is coordinator of Innovation Facilitation Center. He is honored as the Fellow of Maharashtra Academy of Science in 2016. He has received a commendation award from Startup India, Ministry of Commerce from Government of India for establishing innovation ecosystem in small cities. Today, Professor Bhushan Chaudhary will be sharing his expertise in microbiology with a talk on harnessing microbes for sustainable developmental goals. We are indeed fortunate to have him with us, and we look forward to an engaging and enlightening session. Please join me in welcoming Professor Dr. Bhushan Chaudhary. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for nice introduction. Honorable Principal Dr. D.R. Patil, sir, Coordinator Dr. Sandeep Patil and Ravi Patil, sir, Tejas and dear participants. It's really immense pleasure to be here on this dais to talk about biotechnology and how it can help to improve the life on this planet. Indeed, I must agree with the thought which is given or which has been shown by Principal Dr. D.R. Patil that achieving the goals of biotechnology, it doesn't mean that you have done great job. Fundamentally, it's a responsibility. That's $1 million thought. And this thought, if somebody or everybody has to imbibe, and if it is imbibed from heart and with sheer and mere interest, basically, then things could be possible and we can achieve a lot. And I must also quote one thing at this moment that India on Global Innovation Index until 2015, it was on number 81, while in the next few years, at this moment, we have reached the position of 39. In very short span of almost 8 to 9 years, we have achieved a great leap wherein so many things are pivotal, so many things are there, and we have been working on that thanks to our administration of the country as such or at large, who has really provided a good podium for us to work on. And biotechnology has been instrumental in bringing good startups in India, and that has really transformed the startup ecosystem, has transformed the country's position in GII. So once again, thanks to all, and I shall start with this talk. Maybe can I give me the right to share?
Yes, sir. You have already given the right to share the screen. You can share your screen now. Yes, your screen is visible to us. Yes, sir. Your screen is visible to us.
Is it the full screen now?
Yes, sir. It is full screen now.
Okay, thank you very much. So I welcome you for this AICTE ATAL sponsored online FDP course, where I shall be talking on biotechnology for sustainable development. This is the theme of this, and I shall be speaking on harnessing microbes for sustainable development goals. So I am also thankful to AICTE ATAL for giving me this opportunity to speak with all the participants. And I must quote that this is for the academic purpose. All the contents are exclusively for the educational purpose. Please note this. Well, yeah, I shall start.
Yes, sir.
Fundamentally, every objective, I'm starting with the basic because I could see that many of the people who are participant of this FDP are at the young stage of their professional activity. So objectives of every research, if we see, it is nonetheless understanding the problem. In this, we need to analyze and explore the problem. Then identifying the cause and effect on relationship. Identify functional relationship in problem and its solution. Then to innovate new ideas, finding new concepts, not only concepts, but theories and ideas related to problem. And finally, to improve the quality of existing things. It means finding out better answers to the problems. So these are the four major objectives of every research. I will also quote it like this: the main goal of every research is to improve the quality and level of our lives by finding out hidden facts about the topic in which you are working, especially the problem upon which you are dealing with or to which you are dealing with. So improving our quality of life, that is the ultimate aim of our every research. So how is the process of research? Look, here it shows that yes, there is a problem. This person has identified the problem, and everybody, I mean to say, one who is doing research has to deal extensively with that problem. So identification of the problem is the major goal. It is not that possible just by sitting or just by doing some brain work or something like that you can get the problem. No, one needs to go for literature review. So what is existing, what has been done so far, that we need to find it out from the literature, because reinventing the wheel, it doesn't make any sense. Wheel has been invented a long back, 1,000 years ago, and again today if you are doing the same thing, it makes no sense. And to avoid the mere duplication of the work, one has to go for the literature review. Then if we get the problem, we need to hypothesize how to solve that problem, or this could be the particular solution for that to deal with that problem. So that is developing a hypothesis to deal with that problem. Then experiments. Experiments are the only means to deal or to collect the evidences which science demands. So experimentation is important. Every researcher has to go for experimentation, then analyze the results, what we get. So analysis of the result and bringing some conclusion. If the hypothesis is acceptable, then it's fine. So that is fine. Your hypothesis is correct. So you are on the right path perhaps. Then generally we get that data, report the result through publication or patent. That is very important thing. However, if the hypothesis is rejected, still we can publish the data, so as other people should not waste their energy in doing the same thing what we have done. Of course, it is mandatory that our conditions of research, experimentation conditions, instrument, and all this should be to the mark. Otherwise, if you are doing some experiment and if it is not really good, conditions are really very bad, instrument is not standardized, instrument is not calibrated, you will get wrong results. Interpretation would be wrong. So that should not happen. That care must be taken. And then if it is rejected, still you can brainstorm on that and try to find out the another hypothesis. So this hypothesis can be rebuilt. Again, one can go for experimental design, analyze that results. If it is accepted, that hypothesis, then again you can publish. This is a simple research process or line of thinking for every researcher across the globe. Same thing. If we see, we are talking about biotechnology, and microbes or microorganisms are extensively being used for research in biotechnology. One must accept that. Just being a student of some different subject, we cannot say that microbes are not important. So it is pivotal role which is given to microbes, or microbes are playing across the globe in the research in the biotechnology. One has to accept this naked fact. So which are the different fields where microbes are extensively involved? Food and agriculture. This is one area where microbiology or microorganisms are extensively involved. If microbes are absent, one can say that it's very hard for us to cultivate the crops. It's very hard for a human being to get the food. So it is having a pivotal role. The next area, that is energy, which is one of the most important part at this moment. Many of the wars are taking place with the crisis of energy. India, our beloved nation, is paying a huge currency to procure energy in terms of petroleum products. So we can imagine the intense requirement of energy to us, and we are spending hard currency in getting the petroleum products from the different nations. So how can we be self-reliant now? There are newer avenues people have started to think on since long, and we are also trying to work on that. Here, microorganisms can play a role. Another important aspect